Good morning, brother. Look at that. This is my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and it's now official. For a brand new iOS 16 update is here. Let's check together. Look at that. Can you see this? I need to upgrade my phone, bro. I want to upgrade this OS as you can see. This is iOS 15. Now I want to go for iOS 16, bro. Are you ready, bro? Get ready because I'm so ready for that. Can you see this? This is my iPhone 12 Pro Max. As you can see, operating system iOS 15.6.1. Okay, now let's go. Look at what I have in front of me, brother. Look at that. You can see everything here. Can you see this? iOS 16 is here right now. On this day today, bro. Today on Monday 12 September. See, look at the clock. This is cool. Now look at what you need to know about this. Okay, I need to turn on this right now. Let me enter my passcode and and go. Okay, you need to accept every time, agree, and what? The downloading process started. Yes, as you can see. Can you see this? Okay, this is not a joke. The downloading process started, bravo. I'm so happy. 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 Okay, don't forget to click and share this video. And you can also support our channel. My PayPal link in the description. You can also buy through YouTube. So about things, support our channel. And we go. For the process started. Learn more. Look at what you need to know about this new iOS update, bro. This is official update. Yes! As you can see, it's here. Lock screen. Focus. Pages. Messages. New update. Mail. New update here. On Safari. And passcase. Update. Also here. Live test. Also visual lookup. Also update. Yes. Even Siri. Dictation. Maps. Apple Pay. And more, bro. Home. Have. And more, my friend. Family sharing. Safety check. And what? Accessibility. Can you see this? And well done. This is what new on this brand new update. You can read everything by yourself and get ready for the installation. In my this downloading take 6 minutes in my case because of the speed of my internet connection. Okay, this is depending of your internet connection. Now stay ready because I'm ready. Okay, wait a few minutes. As you can see, bro, The process continue. One about 1 minute remaining. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Dun, 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 dun. Don't forget to subscribe to the show. This video because it's amazing. After this video, I will make many videos just with you of this brand new brand new iOS 16. Stay ready. Make sure that you charge your phone. You can see 52%. Look at battery. Everything will change here. Get ready. About 2 seconds. Preparing update. Ha ha ha. Get ready, my friend. Get ready for a brand new iOS system. Get ready. Bro, I decided to connect my charger. Okay, for more battery. You need 50% of battery percentage here to install this new update. Okay, wait for that. And it's done. Can you see this? Download it. Yes. Now we are ready to install this brand new iOS 16. You can see install now. Okay, verifying update. Cool. Wait few minutes. Okay, make sure that you charge your phone and get ready. I think that after this your phone will reboot many times. Don't worry, it's normal. The installation process started. Apple logo appear and disappear. You see something and the process started. This is the installation, bro. Installation. Installing this amazing brand new iOS 16, bro. This is amazing. Okay, wait for finishing. Look at that, brother. There's something new on my screen, my friend. What is this, bro? What is this, brother? Can you see something here? Look at that. Software update. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 16.0. And what? Look at notification. What you can see. You need to enter your passcode. Let me do it right now because I'm so beautiful. And look at that. Look at that. Look at how notification look like now. Can you see this? Can you see this? Wow. What? I need to unlock my phone. And this is how it look like. Can you see this, bro? iOS is officially out. Yeah, iOS 16 is officially out. Now look at that. Look at what they have here. Search. Can you see this, brother? Can you see this? This is so nice. Look at that. Everything. Wow, so beautiful. Let's see information about this. Settings. Okay, cool. General software information. iOS 16 is here in front of you. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Update is done. Look at that. Okay. Battery percentage. Cool. It's charging. Okay, it's connected to my charger. And look at that. You can see still the same thing. Everything here, but okay. Get ready now for the test review of this amazing update. Okay? Watch the next video here with the screen. Get ready.